What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. It's Master Starnes here with a video on how to improve your basic kicking techniques. We're going to start off with raising is the beginning of a lot of the beginner techniques. Okay, so it's like half of the kicks. And if you don't know this part of the kick, the rest of the kicks really don't make sense to practice because you don't have a strong foundation. So we're going to start off here in the fighting stance. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your back leg and you're going to bring your knee directly straight forward. Keep it in line with your hip. You're going to bring your knee forward, and then your foot is going to come along your leg until it's not able to stay there anymore. So you come along your leg, and then once you raise your knee enough, your foot is going to start to come in front. And you're going to raise your leg as high as you can here, just like this. Now, it's very important you see the front foot that you relax your body and you move your hips with your kicks. If you keep your foot planted on the floor without twisting that back heel, as such, what happens is you create a lot of tension in your hips and your knee, and you could develop a lot of knee problems. Taekwondo is made to be with the body, so the longer you practice, the stronger your joints get, the more flexible your joints become, the healthier your joints become. So you got to make sure that you're doing the kicks correctly. So we're going to keep our hands up, shoulder height, and then when I bring my left foot forward, I bring my left arm and shoulder forward. So my body is switching like this. You want to flex your foot down towards the floor. And you want to make sure that you don't like leave your foot hanging out, but that your foot is behind your knee. And always focus in the direction that you're going. So this is called a knee raising. You could practice by hitting the targets. You could practice as such, just in the air like this. And we could do, obviously, both legs. And straight on, so you can see how it looks straight on, that your knee shouldn't wiggle like making like an S shape. So when you focus, your knee should go straight from here to as high as possible, just like this. You come up. Now, you can see my foot, a little bit wiggle, it should be straight the whole way. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. I love it. Practice like that over and over again. This is called your knee raising. Remember to move your upper body with your lower body. Have fun, train hard, enjoy, get this down. Practice this video a lot so you can do all your other kicks. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in class.